Hi everyone, I'm Matthew. In today's video we're going to be doing more consonant sounds. Today we're going to be doing the letters H, J, K, L and M. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all we've got the letter H. H, hat. H, hat. Next we've got the letter J. J, juice. J, juice. Next we've got the letter K. K, kangaroo. K, kangaroo. Next we've got the letter L. Lion. Lion. And last we've got the letter M. Monkey. Monkey. Okay, so let's go over those again, okay? Are you ready? So, first we've got the letter H. H, and the sound comes from down here. H, hat. H, hat. Next we've got the letter J. J, juice. And it's coming from here. You're moving your jaw forward. J, juice. Next we've got the letter K. K, and the sound coming all in here. K, kangaroo. And then we've got the letter L. Lion. You take the tip of your tongue and you put it just behind your teeth on the roof of your mouth. Lion. And don't forget to flick your tongue down. Lion. And last we've got the letter M. So it's like you're eating a delicious ice cream. Okay, you put your lips together. Monkey. Monkey. Okay, so now I want you to try it with me. Okay, first I'll go and then you repeat after me. Okay, so let's start with H. H, hat. H, hat. Next, the letter J. J, juice. J, juice. Next we've got the letter K. K, kangaroo. K, kangaroo. And next we've got the letter L. Lion. Lion. And last we've got the letter M. Monkey. Monkey. Okay, so how did you go? Can you do it? I hope you can. If not, just keep practicing. Okay, so till next time, see you later.